Hi, this is Carrie from Glitzy Glam, and I am in the middle of reorganizing and rearranging this craft room, but I wanted to do a little craft project for you, so far you get to see some of what it looks like behind me, but I got this idea. I thought it would be a great idea. These are some new, the new hooks that they have at Dollar Tree, and I had these frames already, and I started thinking how cute it would be to spray paint these white. Some of them were gold and some of them were silver, and you might be able to order these off of the website. I haven't seen them this week. I did not see them at either Dollar Tree, so I'm not sure when they'll get some back in, but I thought they were real cute when they had them, so I had bought several. And then I came up with the idea, spray paint them white and make a nice shabby tree hook to hang some teacups, but you could use it to hang just about anything. Now what I'm going to do, I painted them. This one I attached with one of these that I also got at Dollar Tree. So all of these items were from Dollar Tree. I did buy some E6000 glue from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to put some E6000 glue on the edge just to give it some more support so the picture frames don't start wobbling around and getting uneven. But as you can see right here, this one is attached in the middle with the zip tie, and then it comes, I didn't bring them here into the office, but it comes with screws. This rack comes with screws also. So what I will do after I finish getting this all put together is attach it with the screws to the wall, and it'll be real sturdy because it will be attached to the wall. So let me show you how I'm doing this. Okay, now let me show you what I've done. See the zip ties? I have these zip tied real tight. I put glue in between. The zip ties are going to keep it, hold it together while the glue is dried, or you can just leave the zip ties on because this is what it looks like, and then you can just give it a fresh coat of white spray paint, and voila, here is your hanger hooks for hanging whatever you want. You can use it in your kitchen to hold coffee cups, teacups, or spoons and utensils. You can use it in your bathroom to hold robes. You can use it just about anywhere you want to use the Shabby Chic hooks, and they'll look real cute wherever you put them. Alright, that's it for my video. I'm going to go and screw it into my wall and hang some teacups on it. That's what I'm using mine for. You can use it for just about wash rags. But if you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would really like that. And thank you for watching.